guys, it's Riley from Science Girl, and today we are going to be making a solar oven. As summer is here, we are going to be cooking s'mores in it, and for an experiment inside an experiment, we are going to be cooking crayons. If this does work, I am going to be using that crayon. What you need for this is black paper, aluminum foil, packing tape, a pizza box, whatever type of chocolate that you like. I really like Hershey's milk chocolate, but it's your choice. Also, you need some graham crackers and marshmallows. And if you are doing the crayons, you need a crayon and you need to chop it up with a knife. But have your parents help for that. So first, what we did is we took our pizza box and we covered the entire bottom in black paper. This is going to make sure that when the sun flecks off of this, hits down here, it stays in and heats it up. The second part is the aluminum foil. This is going to make it reflective, sort of like a mirror. You need to make sure that you have this shiny side out. And one last thing, what we did is we used packing tape to hold this up so that the sun can get reflected, and as you can see, it's not really moving. So now what we're going to do is we're going to put together our graham crackers. I am making one for every one of my family. Fresh graham crackers. Man. I'm going to need 3 of these. Out. There we go. Then you're going to put one on the side. One on the side. And one on the side. Then we're going to put down the chocolate. Save that. And then our marshmallows. So for this, I'm going to grab a knife to cut this open. Got it. There we are. One, 2, and 3. Okay, so now your solar oven's all set. So I'm going to take this outside and show you guys how to set it up. Let's go. So right now outside it's about 102 degrees. The temperature will actively affect how long your time needs to be cooked. Alright, how long you have for cook time. So I'm also putting in our crayons and we're all set. This is going to, we'll come back out in about 15 minutes to see how they're doing, and let's hope that we can enjoy them. See you then. Hey guys, so I came out, it's been about 15 minutes, and yeah, this is mine, melted. So I'm going to enjoy this. Sadly, the crayon did not melt. I probably will have to stay out for at least an hour to get that to melt. But don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I hope you guys like this experiment. If you guys try it out, send me the video. Don't forget to check out my Instagram. The link will be in the description below. I love you guys and have a great day. But for now, this is Science Girl.